Now, live from the station working for you, this is ABC 27 News at Noon.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Flora Pastorero. The mother of a young man who was killed pumping gas at a BP gas station in Cumberland County. He's filing a wrongful death lawsuit. Kendra Nichols is live with the details. Kendra.
Flora, the family held a press conference here at Handler, Henning and Rosenberg this morning, and there are 15 companies named in this complaint. They include BP, Toyota, and HET Enterprises, which is the company that ran that gas station. Now, the mother of the victim told us this morning she believes her son may still be alive today if it wasn't for the negligence of those companies. She's asking for more than $50,000 in damages. Now, back in March, 19-year-old Luther David Byers was killed as he was filling up his Toyota Yaris at the former BP station in Lower Allen Township. Investigators say static electricity ignited the gas vapors around him. Following Byers' death, the state found at least 20 violations at the station and temporarily shut it down. Now the family is looking for restitution. The complaint accuses the companies involved of failing to properly maintain and inspect equipment. They also say the gas station did not have an attendant on duty or signs warning about static electricity. Toyota, the maker of the car Byers was driving, is also named for not making seats that minimize static buildup. Now, Byers' family says they're filing this suit to hold the companies accountable and to raise awareness.
We believe it's the obligation of the gas stations, the oil company, and the car manufacturers to make people aware of this dangerous situation that can occur.
There is no closure. We just want to know what happened and prevent it from happening to anybody else.
Now, this case was actually filed in Philadelphia County. We're told that's for convenience of some of the witnesses and also for strategic reasons. They also tell us it could take 2.5 to 3 years for this case to go to trial. And the lawyers told us today the companies that are named in this lawsuit, they expect them to deny and delay these charges.